suitcases come in various shapes and sizes, but there isn't truly one that can cater to all our needs yet. Well, we might be in luck because VELO is working on a solution to help global travelers overcome the common problem of choosing the appropriate luggage size for their trips. And with that gap in the market established, VELO saw an opportunity to produce something entirely unique. This is the VELO Expandable 3-in-1 Suitcase. Now, the VELO luggage is a revolutionary hardside suitcase that comes with a patented 3-in-1 expandable feature, allowing it to expand to 3 different sizes for the convenience of travelers. You can effortlessly switch between 16 inches, a small carry-on size, 22 inches, your medium check-in, and finally 26 inches, a large check-in size. All this can be done with just a press of a button. With VELO, you can travel smarter and more efficiently whether you're heading for a business trip or a leisure travel. Now, this luggage has gained excellent performance after its successful crowdfunding campaigns in both the US and Japan, so I thought it was about time I took a look at this myself. And with that all said, let's first start by unboxing this product and see what we're in for. So as you can imagine, there is quite a limited unboxing experience when it comes to this product. It comes in a fitted box sat inside a really nice protective drawstring bag, but that is really it. However, despite a limited unboxing experience, actually opening up this suitcase, it is immediately clear that this is a high quality item. The construction is beyond excellent. Now, this suitcase from VELO is designed to last a lifetime. It boasts a 100% polycarbonate waterproof hard shell and an aerospace-grade aluminium frame with sturdy joints. This high-strength construction guarantees that your items will remain safe from bumps, shocks, and external elements. As this is a waterproof case, you should be completely safe when it comes to exposing this to long periods in heavy rain. This is beyond a durable shell, offering up a good level of protection. But to take that further, this suitcase is equipped with the latest TSA 008 lock. When you combine this with its YKK zippers, it creates a perfect balance between safety and convenience during security checks. This system just simply allows security authorities to inspect your luggage, while still remaining a very safe suitcase. The luggage handle is a good design as it can be pressed flush into the luggage itself. However, it pops up with a light press on the button. This deploys the handle up to a carrying or lifting position. Now, the VELO suitcase boasts smooth rolling spinner wheels at the bottom, and to be honest, these are some of the best wheels I've actually experienced. They glide effortlessly over any smooth and hard surface. With its smooth maneuverability, you can experience 360 degrees of silent rolling, making navigation effortless on almost any terrain. Not only does this feel effortless to drag behind you, but the lack of sound compared to any traditional suitcase, well, it is rather nice. Unlocking the expandable feature of this suitcase is a simple process that involves just a few steps. To begin with, locate the button that is situated at the center of the suitcase handle. Once you have found it, push the button and the handle will extend slightly. This will reveal a second button that is hidden underneath. Now, simply press and hold the second button. This will disengage the mechanism that secures the suitcase's 2 expandable sections. Once you have disengaged the lock, you can pull the luggage upwards to extend its height to the next height, which is 22 inches. Now, if you want to expand the suitcase to its maximum size of 26 inches, you just simply press the button again and the suitcase will expand to its full size, giving you more space to pack your belongings. For better leverage when expanding the suitcase, you can clamp the bottom of the case between your feet, and I do recommend doing this. This will just provide you with the necessary support to extend the luggage without any strain. The same steps are taken if you need to reduce the size of the luggage. Just follow the same procedure while pushing downwards. This will retract the suitcase back to its original size. With these simple steps, you can easily unlock and expand the suitcase to the desired size, providing you with more space to pack your items. The mechanism and usability are purely seamless. Being able to switch between 3 sizes for any journey or occasion is certainly a luxury. Most people will have to go out and buy themselves multiple size suitcases, not only spending a fortune, but cluttering up the house. However, with this innovation, not only does it reduce on the clutter of multiple suitcases in your home, but the multiple sizing also means you can meet multiple airport standards. At its smallest, this case is compliant with the carry-on size of most airlines. However, actual carry-on regulations may vary depending on different regions, but nonetheless, the majority will accept this. When you need more space during a trip, VELO can expand effortlessly to a larger size, make it an ideal choice for bringing back gifts after a long trip. Now inside this suitcase you have the flexibility to store your items efficiently. The adjustable dividers allow you to organize your belongings with ease, eliminating the need for rummaging through a messy pile. You can maximize your packing space and keep everything neat and tidy. Because the luggage is adjustable, so are the dividers within it. It comes with pockets and loops to store small items, and for additional safety, VELO even has a laptop pocket, which is located in the middle between the two compartments, which is certainly one of the safest spots in a suitcase for such a valuable item. There are storage compartments between the dividers in this luggage, however some space is taken up by the handles, which is common with most luggage anyway. Although this luggage has a pretty generous storage capacity when fully extended, it is slightly narrower and slimmer compared to other hard-sized luggage. But this is because of the need to meet the size restrictions of carry-ons. Needless to say though, I can fit a hell of a lot in here. This includes more than enough clothes for 2-week stays, along with my laptop and 2 pairs of shoes. Not to mention a ton of other things, like a wash bag and much more. I am quite impressed. Now this product is designed to have a compact build, which makes it highly convenient for transportation. Its low form factor allows it to fit easily into a car boot or trunk without any hassle. Even if you opt for a larger setting, you can rest assured that it will still fit within most car trunks. This feature just gives users the flexibility to carry the product around with ease, without having to worry about taking up too much space. Now, believe it or not, you can actually DIY these with the ability to take advantage of its expandable design. You can make it truly unique to you, setting it apart from traditional luggage on the market. Apart from just using stickers, you can also utilize spray painting, coloring, graffiti, and other creative techniques. It is up to you. Now, all in all, the standout feature of this luggage is its versatility by far. With 3 adjustable sizes, it can be used for a quick weekend trip or alternatively an extended vacation. You aren't limited by your suitcase. And I think the main thing to take from this case is that it eliminates the concern about capacity and efficiency when it comes to traveling, shopping, or packing. The VELO offers an ample amount of space and smart organization solutions for seamless experiences whenever you intend to use it. Whether you're on a family vacation, going to a business trip, hiking or camping, this case offers versatility and ample storage space to meet all needs. What more can you ask for? And with that all said, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.